Hi guys, what's up? Did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss me? Life happens, okay? Life happens. I'm not even gonna bring you guys no excuses. I'm not gonna bring you guys no reasons as to why I've been uploading. Life happens, things happen. But today we're back at it again. And I want to give you guys 3 videos to make up for my little disappearing act that I gave to you guys. And I know I have valid reason as to why I didn't upload, but we're not going to go into them. Today we're going to talk about China and their new friendship with our little island, Jamaica. So, China claims that them on Jamaica a bench and batty down. So, we're going to get into it. We're going to dissect all this because I have a whole page full of things that I have to say on this topic. And I feel like it's going to be a bit lengthy. So, let me read this article. Of Parliament Pride and China. A contribution by Ronald Mason in the Sunday Gleaner, March 2016-2017. Opens objections to China playing a role in Jamaican Parliament, implying that it will be an infringement on Jamaica's national pride. I beg to disagree. First, Mason reference to the prominent role of Chinese government in designing and building Jamaica's Houses of Parliament is not correct. The memorandum of understanding for the creation of a development proposal for Kingston and adjoining areas was designed between Government of Jamaica and the Urban Development Corporation and the Chinese Construction America, Southern America Division. Please note that there is no difference between the Chinese government and the Chinese Construction, the parent company of CCASA. The true China Construction state-owned company, but all state-owned companies in China have to operate on commercial basis. The role of the government is nothing more than that of a shareholder, which is to ensure added value to the state assets. The government does not infringe in business decisions of the company. That said, the Chinese government is unapologetic for supporting Chinese companies making investments in Jamaica that generate growth, create jobs, and bring win-win outcomes to both the company concerned, China Construction in this case, and Jamaica. Even the company China Construction does not play a decisive role in the development project. So, I was present at the signing ceremony. I won't even read that. Third, I won't even read the second part. I'm going to read the third part because that's where the meat of the matter arises. Third, the claim that China could place instruments to wiretap the Parliament building is really frightening. Can the author guess in what scenarios China would want to wiretap Jamaica's Parliament? Ever since the foundation of the People's Republic, China has always followed an independent foreign policy based on a state 5 principles of peaceful coexistence, namely the mutual respect for each other's sovereignty and territorial integrity, mutual non-aggression and non-interference into each other's international affairs, equality and mutual benefit, and a peaceful coexistence. China has no interest in other countries' international affairs, and be it a friendly country like Jamaica or another country less friendly, I know some forces have been accusing China of doing what they themselves have actually been doing, but none of these accusations have been substantiated. Besides, even if China wanted to place a wiretapping instrument, how could they possibly do it? The modality of the project will be the modality of the project will be determined by the JOJ. Designs will be joint venture. Jamaican workers will be working side by side, and every phase of the project will be inspected by the Jamaican side. To worry that a Chinese could place instruments to wiretap the Jamaican Parliament is an insult to the intelligence of quotient of Jamaicans and the wisdom of the Chinese. The author reminds the reader that the world is built on alliances to warrant his worry of wiretapping. This, however, does not apply to China. As aforementioned, China follows an independent foreign policy, and we believe in partnership, not alliances. We make our judgment on cases based on their merit instead of liking of an ally. Finally, I do appreciate the author's promotion of closer China-Jamaica ties, such as those in tourism and no, let me read this. Finally, this is the part that gets me. Finally, I do appreciate the author's promotion of closer China-Jamaica ties, such as those in tourism and education. I'm sure more Jamaicans will realize that China longs for a friendship and partnership with Jamaica, and Chinese contribution to the development of Kingston will be an infringement on Jamaica's national pride. Whoever write this needs to do some editing. Naya Ambago is the Chinese ambassador to Jamaica. So, whatever, Naya Ambago or whatever you want to name. I want to point out that specifically in this thing, they said they are happy for the closer relationship in tourism and education. So, you can walk nowhere at Jamaica and you know see one Chinese shop. Whether it be hair and nail shop, whether it be food shop or grocery store, you can walk your foot at Jamaica and you know see one Chinese shop. First of all, our Jamaican people are well equipped and well trained to build the House of Parliament. So you're telling me that you can't find a contractor, you can't find an engineer, you can't find workers, you can't find any of those things within your own country, within a country that have scholars, okay, that are internationally acclaimed scholars. You can't find any of that. This is a slap in the face to Jamaican citizens and Jamaican people that do construction work or engineer or has anything to do with building buildings. This is a big slap in the face, because basically they're saying that Jamaican people are not good enough to build the Jamaica House of Parliament. God, every year Jamaica government get dumb and dumber. Really? Now, this is what get me. I don't have a problem with alliances. I don't have a problem with partnership. But when one is more beneficial than one, or one outweighs one, is when I have problem. Look up how much money China revenue in their country each year, and look how much money Jamaica accumulate in their country each year. One is dramatically bigger than the other. So instead of taking our jobs and our people's money and sending it to China, we should seek to put workers that are from our own country in a position to make money, to make our economic situation more stable. You get me? Like, I know it's not a mathematical problem. It's not hard. I know, like, say you have to do statistics and analytics and all this to figure out what's the issue with this. This partnership is gonna benefit China and China only, because all they're doing is draining our resources and using it to better their country, because now China is going to be directly correlated with our tourism and directly correlated with our education. So therefore, foreign exchange students are going to be coming into our schools. They're going to be in our athletic division. They are going to be having contracts with China on tourism. So China is going to get benefits from this partnership with Jamaica. So them can make, say, if somebody want to come from China and go Jamaica on a 3-week vacation, they go through Jamaica, then get a discount, and they give whoever they want, or the Chinese people, that 3-week vacation at a discounted price when they're also making money. Okay, that's fine. But who is this benefiting? Who is this partnership benefiting? Not only are we going to have more fake rice, we're going to have more fake corned beef, we're going to have more fake everything in our country, because this partnership is solidifying what I've been saying on my YouTube channel for months, okay? 4 months. Jamaican people need to stand up. Like, stand up. Like, really stand up. Because there ain't no way stuff like this is supposed to be going on, and you guys are just sitting back relaxing. But me bet if Cartel drop a this song right now, on the panny like rice pan white. Okay? Really? This is a shame and disgrace to our people, for one. Because who does this? Who is this benefiting? Because it's sure not benefiting Jamaica. Then they talk about Jamaican workers is going to be there side by side and all that. Yes. And after this contract is done, who is going to make more money off this? Who is going to be more in debt? Jamaica is in debt to China. So I guess whatever them say goes, and whatever them choose to do with Jamaica, that's how it goes. I don't feel like this is not a friendship or nothing. This is not a friendship. This isn't a partnership. I feel like this is a exploitation of our people and of our resources. Okay, we look about with Talawa. We dominate sports. I feel like they just coming into our country to figure out how we run fast and figure out what we eat, and I feel like this is to benefit them and them only. China's a world power. Okay? That's what they believe in. That's why they source all their income, no matter where they are, back to their country. And I feel like Jamaican people should do the same. Support your own. It's not that hard. So, comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this new partnership, this new friendship that Jamaica is having with China, which is now solidified, that, and they are going to be making our House of Parliament, and there is speculation as to them putting in wiretapping into our House of Parliament. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think, because I'm dying to hear. Literally, they're dead for here, because them people that take Jamaican people for fool. God no, honestly, me so done. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube, man. I'm a part of here. Deuce.